In front of me is Realme 10 Pro Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can use voice recorder on this device. First of all, you need to open Tools folder, then click on Recorder app. Now click on Standard and tap on the best option for you, Standard Meeting or Interview. When you're ready, tap on this red button to start your recording. If you wish to receive notifications, choose Allow in the pop-up. You can pause or unpause your recording using the same red button. If you wish to add a bookmark, click on this left icon, and in order to add a photo one, click on the right one. Now choose Allow in the pop-up, then select one of those options, in my case only this time, and take a picture. In order to discard it, click on this X icon. If you wish to save it though, tap on the check mark. Now, in order to end your recording and save it, tap on this check mark at the top right corner of it. Then name it, hit save. And as you can see, after that, my recording was successfully created. If you wish to play it, click on it. If you wish to delete it though, hold it, select delete at the bottom left corner, and right one, and confirm your choice in the pop-up. You can also click on those three dots at the top right corner, choose settings and manage them however you wish to, like recording file format. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!